Hello. Um, this will be a test stream um, on Twitch and YouTube to just see the quality, see the sound, see the video, see the screen, all that stuff. Um, I'm testing now on my phone for Twitch, see how it looks, and I'll take it afterwards as well for seeing how it looks on the computer. But in any case, so right now today, what I want to do is I started doing this already, but I'll continue. So I have this uh, Quad Codes website, which I have made a sub domain of I guess. So this is it, markdown-viewer. So what I want to do is change this to from nextjs to vite. Or so if I click on here, you can see that this is kind of the main thing, and you can see the code here. That's the one. I'll make this a little bit bigger. So yeah, the idea is that I can do some changes here. Let's say wow down here, make it like this, and then I can grab that file, upload it to a specific place, and then it will show up. And the goal is that, or the idea is that you can have custom URLs that point to Markdown, and you could also have that rendered. So yeah, if I refresh here, you see that wow is here, so we can get rid of this now. But that's the idea. I just want to have a nice, quick, easy Markdown viewer. And then when I upload the file somewhere, or if anyone else wants to just use one of the existing files, so let's say this one, right, from GitHub, then it can just render it in a nice way. Okay, so what I want to do is, first of all, I want to make this from next to vite, because I keep getting confused with with Next.js and this use client and use server and whatever. And then I had a couple of small things I wanted to make, so like make this slightly wider in a couple of cases, maybe add a button that says download as a PDF kind of thing, that stuff. So let's try that. So for now, I can show you that I have this over here. Let's put this down here. But this is the I guess just the code for a file folder. It's named MDTW because initially it was named Markdown Tailwind Viewer. Later, I just decided that Tailwind is not really necessary to be in the name. So now it's just Markdown Viewer, even though obviously I do use Tailwind. So yes, let's make this slightly bigger too. All right. So right now, if I do pn, pn is just pnpm around dev, and have this open up, we see that we're here. So the goal is to just get back to this basically. I want to support like I said, the custom ones for me, or the my kind of extension or subpath, and also the custom one, and then also the main page, which is just a welcome one. For now, maybe later I'll have it have this a little bit more public and showing off how others can use this. but for now, that's the way. So we just want to recreate this. I do have a Git here, so I made a branch from main, and we went to the new branch in vite. Everything that's old is in this old folder, and I'll just move things back here. Let me actually see here. All right. Cool. I just needed to touch some .env of stuff. All right. So let's do this. Let me get rid of this code, whatever, because I haven't tested that yet. Okay, so let's get back to it. So what the main thing I want to do is probably I'll use this React router to do the paths and everything. Haven't used that before, so we'll get into this together, I guess. For now, let's just recreate the homepage, right? That seems like a good goal, and get to the rest of the stuff later. So I'll go back here, and basically what we want to do is we do have this app file here, and basically I want to make this look like, I'm guessing, one of those files. Which one is this? Probably this. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Okay, so let's do that. So I can just grab this, paste it down here, and see what we want to keep from that. Okay, let's do that. I'm guessing we do at some point have to move things in the React router, but for now, let's just do this. We'll call this app, and we'll continue like that, and we'll figure this out later. Okay, so link, I guess this is not really something special. We can just do an A. Actually, is there something like this? Big link. Maybe shadcn link button. Sure. Okay. Haven't added shadcn in that project yet, so maybe for now we'll just keep it super simple. We just need that. Actually, let me just put this like that. Perfect. Okay. Okay, let's get into that then. Get rid of this one now. All right, perfect. So so I guess we need to look at the layout to see the styling. Yeah, okay, we do have a bunch of that stuff. Let's just put it here for now, and we'll see what we need, I guess. This we don't need. Yeah, providers we do need at some point, but for now let's just put this here, this div, and end it over here. I'm guessing it should start to look similar. All right. Did this become less thick? Okay, nice. I didn't actually know that it gets smaller with this prose stuff, but it makes sense. Okay, so let's get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of all of this actually. Okay. All right, and let's make these A's as well. And then also this. Perfect. So I guess main page done. Okay, so now let's figure out how to do routing. And I guess maybe we can do something like this. Test. Just copy this here and say something like test. Get rid of this. Test screen. And let's see how we can show this. Guess we don't really need that stuff up here. Okay, let's forget the Git stuff for now. Let's figure out how to do router. All right, let's see. Let's just quickly check for other stuff. Yeah, there's the Tanstack one. That could be fun. That could be fun to try. Okay. Okay, probably we'll go and check the API of both, but it's always fun to try some stuff. I've never heard of this water. Okay. Maybe let's just start with the initial one, just to see how it looks. And concepts, okay. So my idea is that we want to do slash something, and that's my files, and then slash custom question mark u equals something, and that should be the custom ones, the custom link ones. So let's see, defining roots. Okay, so kind of like that. So that could be our thing, and then this with something like that for the custom one. Sure. Pathless routes. Okay. Let's see what Tanstack does. Comparison. Okay. Sure. Okay. Routing concepts. Okay. Okay, so kind of like that, and this is basically similar, very similar. File route. Okay. Okay. Dynamic segments. Okay, nice. Okay, so it seems like this is kind of the main way to do this. Slightly more funky, but all good. And then how about this? Okay, let's see. Okay. How do we check how this works? Here's an example maybe. Hmm. Okay, similar to the other one. Hmm. Which one do we use? Okay, so what's missing? I mean, that already feels helpful and needed. Not super important because you can fix this in other ways, but I mean, sure, let's try the Tanstack one. The the query one is great, so might as well give this a try. Let's see. Uh, uh, Installation. Okay, let's do that. Mm, File based. What? React router. Okay, but in here it's just router. Okay. Manual setup. Uh-huh. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, so code-based routing. The recommended way. All right, I guess we're doing that then. And I mean, file-based is kind of nice. So let's do that. Okay, so index, group index, about, posts, and then post something. Okay. Okay. And before we can look at the old file, but it was basically like this. We had the file which was rendering my own thing, and then we had the custom one, and I was getting the params, so that should be pretty easy. Okay, so let's go back to this, I guess. Scaffolding, your first. So this is the new project. Sure, okay. We don't care about that. Okay, let's install that. this. Okay. Configure the plugin. Right. So we need I guess this is the one above the same. Yeah, React. Okay. And we had this before. Okay, so touch the crop root. All right. Okay, perfect. Let's see. I guess we need to restart the server just to check. All right. Still loads. Okay. So create the following files. All right. Let's do that. So we do root, and then in there we're gonna make root tsx, and another one. Whoops. That's gonna be index can type lazy. All right. And then another one about lazy. And another one that's main, but it's going at the top. And we already have that code. Okay, so we'll just mess around with this. Okay, so let's see. Root is gonna get that stuff. Sure, just gonna copy it over, and we'll see how this works after we're done. Gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna do the about, and then a main. Okay, let's go to main. Okay, so we have. Let's see what the difference is here. Okay, we have the root, and then render. I guess we don't really need all that stuff. Okay, just gonna use this. Okay, and then put that here instead of up. All right, get rid of this, and then grab that stuff. So we want generated root 3. Okay, create a new router instance, which will import from this. Okay, nice. And then this also needs importing. Perfect. Okay, and this is instance for type safety. I'm not in love with this typing thing because that's kind of what you can do with React Router as well, but whatever, I guess. All right, nice. What's happening here now? Welcome home again. And home about. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so we want code base. We don't care. Alright, so I guess we're kinda good to go here. So that's the root. Let's say create root route, root, whatever. Component, and we get this, I guess, so that's the header. We don't care about this. Okay, let's get back to here. So I guess we could just have this, which would be kind of our global thing, and put it here. That's gonna be our div. I guess we can get rid of this and do the div. Okay, no need for this line. What's this outlet? can be used to render the next child root of a parent root. Okay. It's not accept any props if matched the child root matches. Okay. So this is like a slot kind of thing, I guess. My guess is that if we get rid of this, since we don't really use this, should be fine. No. Okay, cool. So I guess that's where the children go. Alright, and then let's see this. Oh, that's the one. Okay, it's kind of fun. Didn't even see that there. Okay. That's fun. Why is this so dark? Okay. Whatever. I guess we'll just skip this for now because I don't think we'll have any problems since it's pretty easy and simple with this. Okay, so let's get back to that. So I'd say our root is good to go. Our main is good to go. That's the generated stuff. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go back. So let's replace the home with our actual home. So we'll go back to app, grab all that stuff, and come to index, I guess, into this. How's this working? Export root, file root, this. Okay, sure. Isn't this supposed to be like file based? So why do we need this if we already have this here? But okay. So let's just do a very simple this, and that should be fine. Okay. Yep. Perfect. All right. That was easy. So that's the app file can go now. We don't really care about this anymore. Delete. And our icon, not our icon, what? Our index is ready. Okay, I need to fix this. Okay, the test we don't really need. Goodbye. Index lazy, that's good. Okay, and then now let's start doing my custom ones. So this, I guess, should work. Cool. Okay. Yes, go back, please. All right. That's GitHub, and that should be here. Perfect. Okay. Let's. I guess. Why can I not go back? Cool. Okay. Let's fix that. So how do we do this? We need. Actually, maybe let's just do the custom one because that should be an easy one using this kind of thing. So let's do that. I'll open that up. perfect. Okay. All right. So this here we are at custom slash blah blah blah. Okay. So I'll just grab this, throw it over here, and we'll just need to make this work. Perfect. Okay. So let's go back to the about. What's the difference with lazy here? Let's figure this out. What happened? Function. Yes. Okay. Okay. Loader and component. Ah. Okay. That's nice. So the loader is, I guess, like a, well, it's fetching or loading or whatever. Mm-hmm. Okay, nice. And then what's the lazy bit about? I guess it has, or it doesn't need the loader. Creating a partial file instance that is lazily loaded when matched. Okay. One thing we need to, I just totally forgot, one thing we need to do is make this work with title, description, and favicon. So we'll do this after. Okay. I'm not sure what's the difference here. Okay. So critical and not critical. Let's see. So we can use both. Okay, let's try that. So I'll just make this custom. We'll try first with one file, and then we're gonna try the lazy stuff. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Create this file, blah blah blah. Okay, and then custom. Whoops. All right. Is that from vite or something? Router. Okay, nice. What do we need? Let's see here. Use params. Hook. Yes. Actually, we don't need the use params. We need the search. Use search params. Is there something like that? Use search. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is definitely going okay. So I need to get the parameters. Let's print this. Okay, let's see what we were using before in the custom one. It's search params. Yeah, okay, so that's the one. Third link, I guess now. Nice. Let's see what this is first, what the difference is. Between the location, sure. 2. Okay. And then search. Okay, I don't see the reason for this, so I'm just gonna go back to this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and now we need to figure out the search one. Search params, don't stack. Search params, yep. Okay. Okay, validate search, sure, nice. Oops, wrong place. Not here, but here. Okay, validate search. Okay, and how does that work? We have the search. Does this have types? Yeah, okay, cool, nice. Okay, and we want to return page filter sort again. Basically, what we want is just the search.get me or you, I guess. Is that the thing? No, return. Okay, let's see. Return and we're gonna do u, and this is gonna be a string, and that's it. I see suggestions are using Z. What does this require? Constraint. Okay. Whatever. Okay, not for now. Alright, let's say we validated. Sure. Okay, validation. Alright. I see that. Okay. Okay, load adapter. Reading, there we go. User parameter builders. Okay. What the hell? In components. Yeah, okay, here we go. Use search. Routine search, okay. So we can do u adds root dot use search, and then we can just print this out. U. Okay, let's see. All right, perfect. Nice, and we don't have the types. Sure. So I guess let's make this happen. So this. So let's try this again. Product search schema, and that should be one of those Z things. Sure. Okay, so let's just put this up here. Const custom schema, and it's gonna be this. So Z is coming from Zod, right? Which we need to install. Alright, so the adapters. I'm not sure what's up with these adapter things. You're just using them, yeah? Whatever. Okay. So the custom thing is going to be an object, and that's going to be this. Yes. Okay. And then here we're going to do Zod search validator. Okay. That's the adapter. Okay. So how else can we do this? This, and then search, and then blah 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 parse. Okay, so I guess we're gonna do this. Is that the idea? Okay, that seems okay. What? This is okay here. Okay. Whatever. Right. Okay. Let's add this adapter thing. Okay, so how about now? Okay, so what if I do this and say it's nothing, invalid type? Okay. Okay, so I need to figure this out. What's happening here actually, I guess. Must have done something about this. Maybe redirect. Wrong URL. Okay. Sure. Okay. Transform search params before committing the search params to the URL. Okay, so what's the transform? Default one. Search is required. Okay. The examples are not great, but from what I understand is that basically this is what it does. Like adding the default one. Where is the cat even? What? Where is that? Okay, I'm not gonna use this, whatever. I don't think it makes sense, and I don't need to modify any of those, so we'll just keep that for now. Okay, so let's go back to that. Okay, so at that point, let's say that we do get this and we can start rendering it. I guess let's do this as well. So a custom puts this, wrong URL, blah blah blah. Okay. Otherwise, we're just gonna do this, return the render. Okay, and let's bring back the renderer. Okay, so let's do this. Let's put this in like a components folder, and the render tsx. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this whole thing, get rid of this because that's the reason we got rid of next. And let's see. Okay, I guess actually maybe let's just not put this yet. And what we can do is just render this just below. So before doing that, let's do this fetching situation. So let's do this in a lazy one and a not a lazy one. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna do a custom and a custom.lazy. That way, maybe we can do this quickly. For folding. As this folding. Is it something else? What am I thinking of? VS Code, File Explorer, folding. File nesting. Okay, there we go. Okay, yes, so we need to add a new one. We're gonna do is .tsx, and we're gonna fold this into capture dot lazy dot tsx. Okay, so now we can do this situation. That's nice. Okay, let's do this. So in here we have this, and in the lazy thing we have the lazy one. Okay, so let's see how they do this. So from this we go, yeah, we have the loader as well. Well, fuck, whatever. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do this for now, and we're gonna just comment all of that stuff out. So let's finish with that first. So we're gonna do the loader. Okay, and we're gonna do fetch posts, which is basically what we wanted to do in the MD renderer, which is kind of just this, right? Okay, let's see. So we're gonna do this. All right, do we get anything here? We must, right? Loader constraints. We're gonna do, sure, hello. Okay. All right, this still works. Yes. Okay, so the idea would be that we lay out or print out all the code that we're fetching. So let's see how this loader thing works. But let's do it in a new thing, in a new tab. So let's say loader method. Okay. All right, so we have options search. So we definitely need the search. This is options. Who the fuck is this? Okay. Use loader data. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do another div here, or just a p, and then we're gonna do the data in here. Okay, so let's see. If we're back here, it says hello. Nice. Okay, and then do we get anything printed out? Yes. Okay, so A definitely has stuff. Params, context, route. Okay, not sure how we're gonna get the URL over there, but sure. Okay, so this doesn't give us anything more. That's it. Okay. Okay, and let's do this. Loader, okay. sounds hard and boilerplatey, but good. Okay, so this we don't need anymore. So let's try the lazy stuff now. Okay, so let's maybe do this for now. Okay, and then let's try and do the not lazy thing. Or the yes lazy thing, I guess. Okay, so let's bring this back. Custom lazy, custom and custom lazy. Okay, just gonna copy paste this whole thing here. Okay, and we're gonna do lazy. Alright, so the non-lazy thing has the loader and the load dependencies and the validation. Okay, and then nothing. Okay, so it doesn't even need this, I guess. It doesn't even need a component. Okay, and then in this, we don't have the loaders, we don't have the dependencies and stuff, just a component. Okay, which has this, and it gets this. Okay. I guess we don't need the schema. Okay, and let's see if that works then, right? It does work. Okay, interesting. A little bit strange, but it does seem to work. Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, interesting. All right. Let's do this. So the non-lazy bit is gonna define the schema, then make the route. Skip the component. We don't care about the component. Okay. We are trying the lazy thing. Okay. And MTU will figure this out later. Okay, and in here we have this, and everything is not working with the types. Why is this happening? Let's quickly see if this code is the same. Oh god. Okay. had to cancel the API key quickly since VS Code was not that fast uh, to hide, which is kind of annoying. But okay, all good. Nice. Okay. Okay, I see that VS Code is understanding the types. So I'm guessing this might just need a quick and restart. Okay, let's see. No, still the same. Why? Okay, oh well. Oh, what? Fuck. Alright, all good. Somehow the generated file was edited over here. No idea why. Okay, now we're good. Yes, now we are very good. Okay, back on track. So let's do this. We did try the laser thing. Okay, it seems to be working. Okay, so what we need to also do is for check what's happening for an empty thing. So I guess I might as well just check here. Add this, and then say in character. I guess how do I show a simple fallback message when the U search term is missing? Also, what happens if here I make this something that doesn't exist, like this? Page not found. Okay. Okay, so let's see what this suggests. Okay, the same thing as with the other one. Cool. But you're providing custom. Here's a concise thing. Okay. Custom component. Okay. Oh, sure. Okay. Okay. So just this. Optional. If modification checks is false. Okay. That doesn't have too much, but sure. So three things we need to be checking. We need to be checking this, but without this whole thing, and then this, but with the wrong one. So let's say this. Okay, so one should be just wrong and then showing and then wrong and then blah blah. So I guess this does work. That's good. This gives us nothing. Okay, good, interesting. Okay, and then this gives us, what even is that? Okay, this is correct, right? Yes. Okay, so let's get back to that. We're gonna grab this, I guess. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna say if it's this, we're gonna do this. All right. Okay, so if we go back to this, why is there nothing? Why is there nothing here? I'm guessing there's, but wait, let's see what this thing does. I mean, in this case here. Okay. Because I'm guessing the loader failed, yeah. Okay, the colors are all fucked. Anyway, okay, so we want to do okay. Just wanted to test if prettier works. Let's put this away. Optional. Okay. Sure. So that's so. What's the point of this even? Right? I guess. missing URL. And then we can say you should add Okay, I want to make this definitely a code thing, so we'll figure this out. How to do this, like this maybe. I don't know. the stream here and play around later again.